Hey guys, welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video, we're going to be making curry rice using vegetables to enhance it, to create more fiber. I'm going to start with frying my meat. I usually pre-cook my meat, guys, and I'm going to be linking a video of my weekly meal prep that I do, and this is to make my days very easy so that I don't have to waste so much time each time I decide to cook a meal. In the kitchen, I'm just frying my meat that are already cooked. Sometimes I grill it in the oven just to make it a healthier option. And my meat is cooked now, and next I'm going to be frying my onions to get started. I already parboiled my rice, so I'm just going to be continuing the process. I'm going to let this onion sit for about 3 to 5 minutes until it gets transparent, and then I'm adding my curry, you know, this is a curry rice, as much curry as possible. I've added thyme, and then I'm adding bay leaves. I'm going to stir this up to mix well. I'm adding my pepper and a little bit of crayfish. I usually blend it together so it's easy to come out. In my meal prep, once again, more crayfish, you know, guys, because that's going to enhance it. Some people don't put in their crayfish in their jollof rice, but I do, you know. My meat stock, I'm going to let this cook for a while, and then I'm adding more water to help to cook properly. I'm adding 4 cubes of seasoning, and then this chicken flavor to make it like 5 at the end of the day. And then so this water is boiled now, and I'm going to be adding my rice. This is brown rice I got that is healthier for the body, you know. So I'm just going to be stirring and adding some more water so that the rice can cook completely. I'm going to be cooking this rice on a medium-low heat. Extra salt to taste, and then we're good to go. Now that my rice is dried, I'm adding some vegetables. I have here some scent leaf and then some spring onion. I usually freeze them when I have extras so that I can use them on days like this. Meanwhile, don't judge me that we have already cooked the vegetable. I know we're not cooking it only for the vitamins, we're also cooking it to get some more fiber from the vegetables, you know. So I'm stirring this. My children don't like this, by the way, but I mean, we have to do what they need. They may try to remove some of the leaves, but you know, they cannot be successful 100%. So that's it, guys. My curry rice is ready at this point, and I'm going to just be dishing it out for us to enjoy. If you've enjoyed my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. I'll be seeing you in my next one. Until then, bye.